Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare vegetable frankie. This is wholesome, this is filling. It can be sent in tiffin boxes or served as a snack. There is a tinge of vinegar. It is a super snack. Let us see how to prepare vegetable frankie. Let us take 2 cups of wheat flour. Let us add a little water and make the dough like for chapati. The dough is ready. Let us cover and keep for 30 minutes. Then I have taken 1 onion, 1 inch piece of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, 1 tomato and a few coriander leaves. I have finely chopped the onion, ginger, garlic, green chilies and coriander leaves. I have pureed the tomato. Then I have taken 2 large potatoes. I have boiled them and peeled them. Let us take a little of these green chilies and mix it in a bowl with 1 tablespoon vinegar. This is chili vinegar. Let us keep aside a little of the chopped onion and chopped coriander. Chili vinegar, coriander and onion form the garnish for the frankie. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 2 tablespoon oil. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. The ginger and garlic are well sauteed. Let us add the chopped onion. The onion is well sauteed. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and quarter teaspoon cumin seeds powder. Let us add quarter teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and quarter teaspoon garam masala powder. Let us add a pinch of asafoetida powder. Let us mix it well. The masala is well fried. Let us add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce. Let us add the tomato puree. The tomato is well fried. Let us add the boiled potatoes. Let us mash it well. Let us add salt. Let us mix it well. Let us add the coriander leaves. There are three parts to the vegetable Frankie. The first is a chapati like outer covering. Second is this Frankie mix. We will be shaping this into cutlets. Third is the garnish which we have seen earlier. We will be putting these three together to make a roll. Potato mix for the Frankie is now ready. Let us turn off the gas. The dough is now ready. Let us divide it into portions. Let us roll out into thin chapatis. Let us put the chapati on the hot tawa. Let us apply ghee and cook both sides. This is now ready. Let us move it into a plate. Let us put the next chapati. Let us cook all the chapatis in the same manner. All the chapatis are now ready. Next, let us take the Frankie mix. Let us divide it into portions. Let us roll each portion into a long cutlet. Let us keep the cutlets on the tawa. Let us lightly fry both sides. Now let us make the Frankie rolls. Let us take each chapati. Let us keep the cutlet. Let us add the chopped onion and coriander leaves. Let us add a little of the chili vinegar. Let us roll the Frankie. In the same manner, let us make all the Frankie rolls. All the vegetable Frankie are now ready. Let us move them into a serving tray. Hope you like the vegetable Frankie preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.